Halor kejing temu ke Sorkar jela ban pendunano ekador tenda nagebenta ke Polo Market Complex ke Batamai. Kini kalong hadian bagi Sorkar kam shimlala ban Khring iki Nongthep tenda wala kala plat jing penmena haduk lain sausian. Usembut Menteri Rangba bakmi ikatanat penroi soru ba Sniawbhalang Dhar ulong beimat kedor balebuk lupa kelong ke bakam hea kumta ke Sorkar kelarai ban Pynhiar no kandiat kenang bagi beliau kinwan cekmat. Uba Sniawbhalang Dhar ula pensyai bahadu menta 4 lak ban sedang penteri kam yang kena market kompleks namar dang up ki Nongthep tenda. Ula banjur bagar kompen bet kena kam kan long kebasyai bagi tu gibathong kam hea kini ekohok ban Pyniaid ya kena kayo.
Only advertised 3-4 times. Nobody want to interested to take part on that. So now we have to refloat again. 3 times already we have advertisement, but no one take part in the process. So we have to recall again.
So will it happen to Jail Road also? There are big building coming up.
Well, let's see. And when finished again, the same system will follow.
No, to attract the people.
No, do you see it seemed like in Polo, it seemed the rate is a little bit high we put from the government side. It seems. So now we are thinking maybe we may go a little bit low, so at least the party will come.
What about the
And we haven't started operational solo because we are waiting for the party to come while we are doing the tendering system. So we are here since nobody took part. So maybe we have to rethink again. Maybe we have to go a little bit down, a little bit lower, so at least the party will come.